Welcome to Pluralsight. I'm Ross Bogertis. Welcome to the course Access Control Lists, or ACLs. This is literally one of my favorite topics in the ccna series. It really takes everything that we've learned so far, specifically about packet headers and segment headers, and allows us to apply it to the network to select some traffic so that we can take some action with it. Let's dive into this Introduction to ACLs module, where I'll give you an overview of an access control list by using some examples in the real world, and then I'll introduce what an access control list is and one of its applications on a network. Our goals this module are going to be to talk about controlling access to a system, whatever that may be. We're going to look at some examples of how us humans interact with systems out there in the world and when we encounter an access control list on something that we're trying to do. Second, we're going to talk about selecting traffic. How do we make decisions about which traffic is allowed into a system and which isn't? Next, we're going to look at access control list types. So we're going to introduce an access control list. We'll see that there's a standard and extended, and we'll take a look at what that standard access control list looks like, and then examine how we apply that access control list to the device. I'm not actually going to do a demonstration on a live router in this module. We'll get to that in the next module. Here, I really want to introduce the concept to give you a really good idea of what the ACL is doing, so that when you try to implement it, you can understand what it is that you're trying to accomplish and aren't just hacking away at it. I watch too many people that are trying to learn what an access control list is, and they end up just hacking away at it and not making any progress. So I want to give you some tools so that you don't have to hack away on your ACL.